Today I am going to teach you exercise number 2.5 differentiation. Question number 8. Question number 8 is if x is equal to a cos cube theta, y is equal to b sin cube theta, show that a dy by dx plus b tan theta is equal to 0. So we'll take this or question start from this and we will approach this term. This x is equal to a cos cube theta and y is equal to b sin cube theta. This equation we named as 1 and this we named as equation 2. We can see that our variable is theta, so we will differentiate equation 1 with respect to theta. Dx by d theta, a is constant, so d by d theta cos cube theta, a as it is, but we apply power rule. According to power rule, n is 3, x 3 minus 1, n minus 1, 3 minus 1 becomes 2. Now again differentiate cos theta. 3 into a 3a cos square theta, and derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta. So dx by d theta. So dx by d theta is equal to minus 3a cos square theta sin theta. Now differentiate equation 2 with respect to variable is theta, so we'll differentiate with respect to theta. Dy by d theta is equal to b is constant, d by d theta, so we will apply derivative on sin cube theta. B, we apply power rule. According to power rule, n is 3, x is sin theta, n minus 1, 3 minus 1 becomes 2, and derivative of sin theta. Whenever there is power, first of all we will apply power, then again we will differentiate sin theta or whatever theta is. Dy by d theta. 3 into b, 3b, sin square theta, derivative sin theta is simple, cos theta. So we want to find dy by dx. So according to chain rule, by using chain rule, but the chain rule said dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta and dot d theta by dx. So by putting value, dy by theta is equal to 3b sin square theta cos theta, and we will reciprocal of this is d theta by dx, 1 minus 3a cos square theta sin theta. 3 cancel, 1 cos theta cancel, 1 sin theta cancel. What is left? Minus b by a sin theta divided by cos theta. Sorry, dy by dx. Dy by theta is equal to 3b sin square theta cos theta and d theta. This is dx by theta, but this is d theta by dx according to chain rule. So we reciprocal this term, minus 1 by, this is dot, 1 by minus 3 cos square theta sin theta. Sin 1, 2 and sin theta cancel, 1 sin theta is left, and cos theta divided by cos square theta cos theta, and 2 is only 2 is we will cut, 1 cos theta is left, 3 and 3 cancel, b by a and which is equal to minus b by a sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. So dy by dx dy by dx minus b by a, when we take in the left side, minus b by a becomes positive b by a tan theta, and what is left? 0. This is proof. Basically we want to find dy by dx plus b by a tan theta is equal to 0. This is a required solution.